It's summertime and I think it's time to try some flowers for drawing. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's drawing, you're going to go through a simple, easy, but stunning sunflower drawing. So grab the mentioned materials and let's get started. Today's drawing consists of 3 stages. The first stage is outlining, second one is bolding, and the last one is blending. So we're gonna go so easy. We're gonna take it easy and go step by step through all the stages. In this second stage of this drawing, you need to make sure that your pencil is sharp enough. If it's not sharp, then it can create a lot of mess, and that is why the most important part in the second stage is just to make sure that your pencil is so sharp and dark. I have used a 4B for this, but you can even use 6B as well. If your 2B works even better than the 4B or 6B, you can even use that as well. The last stage is blending, but if you're so content and satisfied with the way that this flower is looking for you, then you can skip this blending part and let the drawing be, because your satisfaction is more important. But like me, if you want to continue, you can blend some minor parts in order to give more depth to the flower. This was the end of today's drawing. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked it, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Goodbye.